Rants of a Naija Chick. So I do not know how this video is going to look because I'm filming in a different place, not my usual setup. I just finessed this together, but I really want to do this. Anyways, I am filming a reaction video. I have wanted to do this for the longest time, but because I film on my phone, I did not know how I'm going to, film it, everything, edit it, everything. But I think I finally figured it out, but we will see at the end result. But anyways, I am filming a reaction video to V's Rainy Days music video. Is that how they say it? I do not know, but I'm not going to waste time. Let me play this video because I'm itching to see what exactly he gave us. Okay. Oh. Oh, the video. So right off the bat, I love the song. The sound is so him, but it's like the theme is giving heartbreak, the first song and now this. I'm like, I really love the space it's in. I love the point of view they kind of threw in there as if, that was an old recording. He was remembering that just off the top of my head. His dog is there. I mean, we know that his dog has been the star. I don't want to pronounce his name so I don't murder it. He has been the star of this whole thing. But oh my God, let me finish watching, right? Who are you smiling at, mister? I'm trying to be very muted right now because I want to start out. Oh, that was beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna watch that again, but right now the whole aesthetic is really, it's really giving. It feels like him. This song feels like him. The sound, the video, it feels so much like him. If you're not ARMY, if you're not if you do not know BTS, I do not know how else to explain it. It feels so very much like him. the song itself, I love the cadence. I love, like, oh god, when I was waiting for a V album, this is exactly the kind of thing I imagined in my head, because it is giving me exactly what I wanted. Like, can you imagine playing this even on a rainy day? Like, it's just gonna wash over you. The sound is gonna wash over you. Like, I love it. I love it a lot. I'm definitely gonna listen to it again, but first listen, first reaction, I really, really love it. Oh, yeah. But the heartbreak themes is sending me. I don't know. But yeah, this is so good. I don't know what people say at these things. I guess I have to sign off now, because I have to go and watch that again and again and again and stream on Spotify. You really should too. Ah. All right, bye bye. I'll see you on the next one.